This is Portmore for sure, the largest residential community in the English-speaking Caribbean. And we're gonna stop by Marcia's crab stall and we're gonna get some crab in a bag, them one in a barrel. Welcome back to my vlog channel and enjoy this video. Welcome back to my vlog channel. Alright, so we're in Portmore and this is a quick and short vlog, but I know many of my viewers overseas are from this area and they haven't seen this side for a long time. So, I said I'm gonna do this vlog. Oh my god. Once again. Oh yes, so Portmore City, not officially, but soon. Captain's Bakery there in Portmore. Yes. Down there, see it's a drive-through. I think, no, don't. Salvation, healing, power, faith, ministry, miracle, deliverance. Hey guys, when last have you seen this? This is Portmore and this is Marcia and we at our crab stall. And we're buying some crab. This is a $1,000 worth of crab.
Right between Quartz and Tasties.
Right between Quartz and Tasties. Easy to find. Tasties over there and the Quartz right there. Alright, can I get some of the soup? How much is the soup?
Soup like this? More than this?
Yeah, you don't have no cup?
Not anything.
Alright, that's good. Here you go.
Somebody will go put me up again.
Yes, and more sales. No have no cup. In at the bag, not the bottom. Crab in a bag. And in a barrel, this one in a bag. Oh my god.
Best tasting crab.
Yes.
Portmore. Side Quartz.
Alright.
And if you season it, check me here.
Alright, Marcia.